Are you looking to enhance your baby's nutrition with a wholesome ingredient? Today, I will show you how to prepare a nutrient-rich blend that will benefit your little one's health and well-being. Again, I already have my soya beans well fried. Here, this is it, guys. I also have my granite well fried. This homemade granite and soya beans well fried with hair fryer. I will set aside. I have my cleaned dried fish already separated from bones. Yes, I will be including it in this. I will also have our dibino, also known as date dibino, and we also have our crayfish. Here is our crayfish, guys. You can see it. So I'll go ahead and mix everything together and start blending. I'll make sure I incorporate this crayfish, dry crayfish and soya beans together. But first of all, I'll first fry I'll first blend the fish and the date because they're kind of strong. So I want a well blended ingredient. So with these essential nutrients that are vital for your baby's growth and development, so I combine all the ingredients in a blender and blend until you achieve a smooth consistency. This nutrient rich blend will serve as a powerhouse of vitamins, mineral for your baby. So I transfer the blended mixture into a container and cool in a dry place. So before I will go, let me quickly rush the benefit of this ingredient listed in your the health benefits of the ingredient. Date is rich in essential vitamin and minerals. Dates provide a natural sweetness and a natural sweet and energy boosting properties that will help your little one. They are high in fiber, promoting digestion and overall gut health in babies. So we have our fried granules, a good source of protein, healthy fat and antioxidants. Fried granules offer a nutritious crunch to the blend. They support muscle development, brain function and immune health in growing babies. So we also have the crayfish packed with protein, omega-3 fatty acid and minerals like calcium, iron. Crayfish add a savory flavor and nutritional value to the mixture. It helps in bones strength, cognitive development and blood formatting in infants. We also have our dry fish, a rich source of omega-3 fatty acid, protein and vitamin D. Dry fish contributes to the blend's overall nutrient profile. It supports brain development, vision health and immune function in babies. We have our soya beans, high in plant-based protein, fiber and essential nutrients like folate and iron. Soya beans are a versatile ingredient that enhance the blend's nutritional content. They promote growth, energy production and overall well-being in infants. So by incorporating this nutrient dense ingredient into your baby's diet, you are providing them with a well-rounded meal that supports their growth, development and overall health. So your baby's health, homemade nutrient pack baby food. So these are the recipe you will need for your baby's food. Combine all the ingredients in the blender and blend until you achieve a smooth consistency. The nutrient rich blend will serve as a powerhouse, like I said, of a vitamins and minerals for your lovely kids. So after blending, this is what we have achieved. We have to mix everything together to make sure it's well blended and smooth. His words blend as smooth. I combine all the ingredients in a blender and I blend until I achieve what I want. So this ingredient I will be adding in container. Look at me, I'm just being excited because I got what I really needed. So I have this container. They just finished taking their milk. I will be using the empty container to store this, because it's kind of, this container is kind of big. I think it should be enough. It will contain what I just blended, because it's kind of much. And this blended ingredient together will last like 2 to 3 weeks for my baby. And so when feeding, or when I want to feed him, I'll be using 1 full spoon on each meal, because I will include this. I always include this ingredient in anything pap may not necessarily be akam. The pap can be golden milk, quick and oats, akam and all that, custard. I already have, so this is it. My baby normally like quick and oats, so I always incorporate this, and this will last to 2 to 3 weeks, like I said. And I'm happy that I have to package this in a well clean container, that way, so that hair will not enter. I will transfer it into this container and store it in a cool dry place. This homemade baby food can last me for like 2 to 3 weeks, providing a convenient and healthy option for your little ones. So here we are. This is my ogasa, already ready to eat. As you can see, we have started. So I started feeding. I add 1 full teaspoon of this nutritious blend to his pap. This is quick and oats that he's taking. I added this with his milk. Mind you, don't forget to include their milk. So this is 1 full spoon. You can see him enjoying the food. So this combination of the flavors and the nutrients will not only satisfy their taste, but also promote their overall health. So you can see him enjoying his food. In fact, he's enjoying and licking the licking his mouth. So if you have a little baby around, if you have a little one, you can try these ingredients. You can see if my little ones have drifted off into a peaceful sleep. Nourish and content. Hold on, don't move yet, because I'll still show you the his other sister. So after he's now sleeping, just after feeding them, just watch them thrive and grow with every nutritious teaspoon of this meat. There's a lot of benefits on this ingredient. I measured date, granite, crayfish, what else, fish and the rest. So this will help them grow. They have both in their fiber, both in their digestion, and their good health. All these are nutritious. When you are buying, when we are buying this some just their milk, just giving them their milk, and they are not getting this taste in their food, or this natural organic ingredient in their food. It may be difficult for them to eat our natural food, our normal food. It may be difficult for you to switch to them. So I started feeding them this since they started taking water, because I started giving them rest from 6 months. So you can see her also, she have started taking it. Please, if you are mommy in the house, you can also share your own recipe, your own idea with us in the comment section below. Your kids will have a peaceful sleep. I'll bet you to try this and give me your feedback. So guys, please, if you have watched to this extent, you have not shared, you have not liked, please do well to share and comment in our comment section. You can see she is trying to sleep because she noticed that I'm holding the camera. She have turned her face. She don't want me to capture.